Make sure that you're comfortable so that you can watch me work. Thanks for tuning in today. I am Tiffany of Tiffany Baby TV. You guys know what the drill is by now. If you've been watching me and rocking with me, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for being part of the family. But if you are not a part of the Tiffany Baby TV family, before we get into this review, I need you to hit that button. Go ahead and subscribe to your girl so that you don't miss any of my future content. I'm going to bring you some exclusives. I'm always going to break it down. I'm going to always give you some tips and tricks on how to slay. Today, I have a new release coming to you. This is once again brought to you by Beauty Nation. I have Jalyn. Jalyn is a new Zury unit. It is the sister unit of Jill. I have her in the 3T purple color. This unit is absolutely to die for, you guys. It's got that beautiful mermaid ombre in it. It's got an amazingly beautiful parting space. You've got the 13x4 parting section, and you also have a 360-degree lace. Similarly to Jill, this unit has 3 combs. However, those 2 combs are going to be pretty far back due to that 13-inch frontal that you do have. But you guys, look at this hairline. Get into it. Do you see how immaculately done that is already? I haven't plucked this. I haven't customized this in any way, shape, or form. But already, as it is, just putting it on my hand, it's falling into a natural looking part. This looks amazing. Do you hear me?
This looks amazing.
In addition to the comb and the back, you also have lace on the back of this unit, so you are able to glue this down and wear it in a higher ponytail if that's something that you're interested in. I'm going to cut this lace off real quick here off camera. I will be right back with you guys. I promise I am not going to do anything else to this unit. Alright, you guys, so I have combed out this side just to show you the comparison of what this unit looks like straight out of the packaging. And running that comb through this unit though, you guys, I am disappointed to show you that. This is how much hair I pulled out of my comb after just combing out this 1/2 of the unit. So it does look like Jalyn is a shedder. She is shedding handfuls on me, you guys. I'm betting that's because of that hand-tied parting space up front. She's leaking hair. She's leaking. I will say, however, this cap is so comfortable. It is so lightweight. It is definitely big head friendly. You guys, I've got so much stretch still in here. This unit has so much room in it. Again, the combs are all the way back here, so you're not really gonna get any security from those. You're gonna have to glue this one down. You could get away with this, but you guys, this cap is really loose. I don't want anybody's wig getting blown away. Again, the parting space looks really natural. This is unplucked. I haven't added any powder to the part. I have done nothing. This is the way that the unit comes straight out of the box. Let's check some other parting areas. Ugh, you guys, that looks like I just parted my hair. And look at how flat that laid, honey. No flat iron, no curling wand, no hot comb today, babes. Nope, no. This looks amazing. Zury, you've done it again. I am getting a little bit of tangling. I think that's due mostly to the length. Again, I'm still pulling out handfuls of hair with every pass. So if you're going to wear this unit, I do suggest that you brush it out really good before you wear it the first time so that you are not shedding like an animal everywhere you go. This shedding is bad, you guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. I don't know if I got a bad unit or if this is how all of them are. There are a couple of other reviews, so I suggest that you check those out. But I love this wig. I can't in good conscience tell you that it's not shedding, because it absolutely is. There's hair everywhere. Everywhere. I'm gonna give you a 360 view though, just so that you can see what this looks like all the way around. I love this color. It's definitely giving me Sea Witch. Lizzo, I've got your Ursula wig right here, girl. Is this a beginner-friendly unit? Absolutely. This does not feel like doll hair. I'm not getting any color transfer. I know that's been a previous complaint about some of these colorful wigs. They do transfer the color occasionally. This one doesn't have any of those issues. You guys know I love Zury. You guys know that Zury very, very seldomly disappoints. So I do think that this is a winner. However, that shedding is something to be concerned about. I'll just leave it at that. Alright, so you girls tried some more color. Make sure that you comment down below and let me know what you think. Share this video and share Jill with a friend if they're interested in colorful units. If they're looking for some mermaid or some unicorn or some rainbow hair, send them this way. Make sure that you have them check out these reviews. I will leave purchase information down below as to where you can pick these up. If you have any questions about these units, you know you can always ask. You know I'm happy to answer your questions. Leave them in the comments. Hit that subscribe button before you go. Make sure that you don't miss anything else that I'm bringing you guys. I love you so much. Thank you for spending some time with me today. As always, I appreciate your time. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching Tiffany Baby TV. Bye, guys.